For the first time ever, we're trying common cook at someone else's house.
Yeah, what's up?
I'll figure out whatever's in the fridge that I can cook and I'll cook something up.
Sure.
Boom. All right, I'll see you soon. We got our first customer. I've been talking about doing this for like a year. Let's head over and see if we can make this work. What's going on? I hope you're ready for this. Let's just look at everything that we're working with. All right, this is pretty good.
She says there's only a couple things off limits.
Dude, she bought
Okay.
this yesterday.
I will not.
Don't touch the yogurt.
Okay, deal.
I don't know what you're trying to do right now.
Neither do I.
Yeah, I don't know what's in the freezer. You can look at that. Touch those.
Lots of Italian ices. Ice cream. Lots of ice cream. They're busy planning a trip to Hawaii. I'm gonna try to make a snack. We've got some mozzarella cheese, some pasta sauce, some Trader Joe's eggplant spread, and some pasta. I'm thinking mozzarella cheese taco shells filled with Italian ingredients. Let's try it out. First thing we need to do, melt the cheese for our little taco things here. Our taco shells. Should melt down really nice. These are going into the oven for like 5 minutes at 450. Salted water boiling. Toss a little bit of pasta in there. We're like halfway done. Alright, let's get the sauce warmed up so we can toss the pasta in there. Don't need too much sauce, just enough to coat the pasta a little bit. Let's check out how this cheese is doing. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Take a little bit of pasta water. Add to the sauce. All those starches in there will help give a little extra texture to that pasta and help it stick. Too bad I can't get off the freaking foil. No. Yeah, we'll try this again. Second time worked. What we've done is we've draped these over some tin foil to give them a bit of a taco shape. I'm just gotta flip it over and hopefully fill it. Take some of this spread at the bottom here. Be our glue, hopefully. Got some sauce, pasta, delicately going in there. This is definitely going to be a messy meal. A little sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. More cheese on cheese. Because every good taco has a bit of crunch and texture. A little bit of blue corn tortillas. Mozzarella cheese shell, creamy vodka sauce on the pasta, roasted red pepper sauce, and something else.
Very good.
That's it.
I'll get the hell out.
That's a wrap. Thanks, guys. I'll be back.
Door will be locked.
See you guys. Finally did it. Now, time to go do my own food shopping and my own cooking. See ya.